Listen, man, listen. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. But today, man, we got Lynyrd Skynyrd, Free Bird. Now, I listened to one other song from this band. I listened to Simple Man, and that song was fire as hell. I think everybody should listen to Simple Man. That's a life lesson in a song, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It was a life lesson in a song. But people told me they got another song that's just as fire as Simple Man, and it's Free Bird. So I'm gonna check it out and see what it sounds like. See if it's hot, see if it's not. And if it's not, I'm gonna let you know straight up that this ain't hot and it ain't for me. But let's check it out.
Tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. 'Cause there's too many places I've got to see.
Okay.
Things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now.
Okay.
And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change.
Hold up. If I'm tripping, I could be tripping right now. Bro, it sound like he breaking up with his girl, G. It sound like he's saying he want to be a free man. He don't want to be in a relationship. He wants to be a free man, and you can't tame him or change him. I could be completely wrong, but that sound like that's what he just said, bro. No lie.
Lord knows I can't change.
Really a breakup song, man.
Bye bye, baby, it's my sweet love. Yeah, yeah. Oh, this feeling I can't change.
I hear you.
But please don't take it so bad. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change.
Okay.
Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly free, bird? Yeah.
Hold up. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Man, listen, I think I got a complete understanding of this whole song. Check it out, check it out. This is a breakup song, G. It's a breakup song. In the beginning of the song, he was telling his girl that he didn't want to be with her no more. He's like, I don't want to be with you. I'm a free bird. I can't be tamed, G. You can't tame me. I want to mess with other people, right? That's why I was so slow and kind of sad at the beginning. But what they turned it up as, that's where he was chilling with other people in the clubs, at the parties, you feel me? Chilling, having a good time with other people. Let me know if I'm tripping, G. That's what I got from this. In the beginning, he was telling his girl he didn't want to be with her. At the end, that's where he was in the club having fun, turning up. Hey, I think I got it, G. I think I got it. This is the second song I heard from this band. And this band is fire as hell. They good as hell at telling stories, I feel like. You feel me? Simple Man was kind of telling a story, giving a life lesson. Being a free bird, you feel me? You could use this in your personal life too, you feel me? But this band is amazing, bro. It's 2 songs in that I heard from them, and they both been fire as hell. Next level songs. Both of them. Literally, both of them been fire, bro. I appreciate it. I love music like this. So Lynyrd Skynyrd get a 10 out of 10 from me and an A+ from me. They gonna get there from me. But man, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I'm out, dog.